Here's how to find an Amazon receipt in the Amazon app. Now open up the Amazon app on your iPhone or Android. It works the exact same. From here, we need to navigate to your orders to be able to find that receipt. So tap on the three lines at the bottom right and then orders at the top left. You'll be able to see all of your orders, and from here, we can download or print or just save any receipt or invoice. Now from here, let's scroll down and tap on these windshield wipers that I recently bought. Let's say I need a receipt for this. All I need to do is scroll down. You can see the package was delivered. And I'm going to scroll down until I get to under order info. It says view order details. Tap on that. And now from here, you'll be able to see all of your order details, but this isn't necessarily the receipt that we want. Ideally, it's in a PDF format that I can email or print or save. Let's tap on view invoice at the very top. And now from here, again, it will show you an invoice, but this isn't quite right. Let's tap on save at the top left. Finally, you'll be able to see at the top left, it says PDF document. I can email it, I can text it, I can tap on print, I can just copy it, I can hit save to files as well, and then it will save it into the downloads folder of my phone. I'll show you what that looks like. Let's swipe down and type in files. And then if I go back out of here, you'll be able to see in my downloads, there is that printed and saved invoice or receipt from Amazon.